Pallavas and Chalukyas in South, Chola Empire, 9th to 12th century. Question 1. With reference to the Chola dynasty, consider the following statements. 1. Their core area of rule was the Krishna Delta, later known as Cholamandalam. 2. King Karikala was a famous ruler of the Chol kingdom. 3. The Battle of Veni is associated with the Chola dynasty. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 2. In the context of Chola rule during Ancient time, consider the following statements. 1. Musiri and Tondi were the important seaports of the Cholas. 2. Shalbhoga was a type of land grant given Tote temples. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. Neither 1 and 2. Question 3. With reference to the ancient history of India, consider the following pairs. Dynasty emblem. 1. Chera king's bow and arrow. 2. Pandya king's tiger. 3. Chola king's fish. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 and 3 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 4. Consider the following statements regarding the Pandyan dynasty. 1. Pandyas are mentioned in Kautilya's Arthashastra and Megasthenes Indica. 2. Ibn Battuta visited the Pandyan Empire. 3. The Pandyan dynasty's power declined with the invasion of the Kalabras. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. All of the above. Question 5. In the context of Pallava administration, consider the following statements. 1. The Pallava state was divided into nadus. 2. The king provided land grains to the temples known as Devdhana. 3. The Pallava inscriptions depict the village assemblies called sabhas as well as their committees. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Question 6. Consider the following statements related to the Pallavas. 1. The Mamandir inscription and the Kudumiyanmalai inscriptions are related to the Pallavas. 2. The Sitanavsal paintings belonged to this period. 3. Pallavas were the contemporaries of Chalukyas. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1 and 3 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1 only. Question 7. Consider the following statements regarding to Chera's ruler of South India. 1. They controlled the central and northern part of Kerala and Vanji was their capital. 2. They issued gold and silver coins with their bow and arrow emblem on them. Which of the statements given above are incorrect? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Questions 8. With the reference to the ancient history, consider the following statements. 1. The Pandyas patronized the Tamil Sangam and facilitated the compilation of the Sangam poem. 2. The Chola went into decline with the rise of the Pandyas of Madurai in the 9th century and were in constant conflict with them. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 9. With the reference to the Sangam age, consider the following statements. 1. Slaves are found mentioned in the Sangam age. 2. There were a significant number of women poets in the Sangam age. 3. Arikamedu, Urayur, Kachipuram, Madurai were the centers of craft production in the Sangam age. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 10. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Sangam theme literature. 1. Tolkappiyam ethics. 2. Thirukkural grammar. 3. Manimekkali epic. Select the correct answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 3 only. B. 1 and 2 only. C. 3 only. D. 2 only. Question 11. During the period of Sangam age the term Umnar for which of following purpose? A. Salt merchant. B. Tamil craftsman. C. Magad artisan. D. Non-Tamil speaker. Question 12. With reference to Thirukkural, consider the following statements. 1. It was composed as a commentary on Sangam literature. 2. It is divided into 3 parts related to virtue, government and love. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 13. Consider the following statements. 1. Brihadiswara temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Shiva. 2. The Airvateswara temple at Darsuram was built by great Chola king Rajaraja. 3. The Papnatha temple was built during the 8th century by Rajendra Chola III. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 14. With reference to the Sangam literature, consider the following statements. 1. Sangam texts are religious texts that provide information about rituals of Hindu. 2. Sangam literature gives information about trade with Yavanas, foreigners. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 15. Consider the following statements about the Chola administration. 1. Uttirmerur inscriptions provide details of the formation and functions of village councils in the Chola administration. 2. There was no village autonomy and the king was the ultimate decision taker. 3. The naval achievements of the Tamils drastically deteriorated under the Cholas. 4. The Kudvolai system is associated with the Chola administration. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 and 4 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 2 only. D. 1 and 3 only.